Senators Bam Aquino and Francis Pangilinan are reportedly expected to join the Senate majority after Congress opens session July 28. And Senator Risa Hontiveros is not bothered the slightest should Aquino and Pangilinan pull the trigger on this move. Our Daniel Manalastas has more on Senator Risa, who also couldn't care less if she goes solo as an independent moving forward.
Senator Risa Hontiveros does not felt betrayed amid reports that Senator Kiko Pangilinan and Senator Bam Aquino might be joined the Senate Majority Bloc.
I don't feel betrayed. At saka kahit naman yung pagsali ng bawat isa sa amin, either sa majority or sa minority, mafa-finalize lang talaga dun sa pagboto ng bawat isa sa umaga ng 28. Patuloy akong magtatrabaho para mula dito sa loob ng Senado, mapalakas yung oposisyon.
Right now, talks continue and she believes that the two are still on a decision-making process. Hontiveros also doesn't feel bad about reports that Pangilinan and Aquino signed a resolution to support Senate President Jesus Cordero.
Hindi ko mamasamain dahil bawat isa sa amin gumagawa talaga ng desisyon sa bawat bagong kongreso ng Senado. And bawat isa sa amin responsable at accountable din naman sa aming mga desisyong ganoon. So, mas maigi sa kanila nyo na lang tanungin.
Pangilinan aired his sentiment through a social media post, saying he knows himself, his stand for, and his political track is an open book. Pangilinan said they are still in talks and whatever their decision will be, he will continue to fight for his advocacies like fighting hunger. Pangilinan also does not mind critics, saying they are free to say what they wish. Aquino has yet to comment on Pangilinan and Hontiveros' statements. It can be recalled that Senate President pro tempore Jinggoy Estrada seemed to have hinted that some senators might be leading the committees for the 20th Congress.
Si Senator Bam Aquino, ang kanyang advocacy, education, siguro dapat natin bigay yung Committee on Basic Education sa kanya. Ganoon din si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, ang forte niya, agriculture. O siguro hawak ng Committee on Agriculture.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.